Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Telegram search not working on settings. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window, we will go down, we will click here on apps, then we come here to apps window and we will just go down here to looking for Twitter app here and this is window and we will go down to found Telegram app and we will click here on Telegram, then we come here to this is window, we will click here on force stop, then we will click here on OK and we will click here on storage, then we come to storage window, we will click here on clear cache and we will click here on manage storage, then we will just go up here to click here in app and we will just click here on clear local and you turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it and it's going to work with you. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe and see you in next video.